In this video, I will explain to you how our very simple Hello World application works. The first statement within our Hello World application or program is used to include all the content within the standard input-output header file to our program. We are using the preprocessor directive called include and providing it the file name, so that any text or any content within the standard input-output header file will be part of our program. The next statement is our main function. Our main function, just like any function in C, is a special function that is called when our program runs for the first time. The main function is a starting point for our program. The main function has a return type int. It has the name main, and if we have an argument, we specify the argument within the brackets. In this case, we don't have any arguments. Within the curly braces, we provide our code. In this case, since we want to print hello world to our terminal, we use the function printf to print hello world. Once this function, which is printf, finishes running, the statement or the program will continue to the next line. The next line is the statement that is used to return the function. So the return statement is used to return the function back to the callee, which is the caller of the function, in this case the operating system. So when we return our function, we provide the value 0 to the operating system, which is the value integer, telling it that our program is successfully run and finished. If any value other than 0 is passed to the operating system, that means there is a problem within our application. This way, we are able to execute our simple hello world application and print the statement hello world to our terminal.